Rosacea is a chronic skin condition. It is characterised by facial redness, flushing. Sometimes you have visible blood vessels in your face, and sometimes you have an adult form of acne. It's a chronic skin condition, might be with you for a little bit of time in your life, but it might be with you for lifelong. And you will find for you that there is things that trigger it. Normally, or in general, it can be things like caffeine, alcohol, hot weather, exercise, spicy foods, but you will find your own triggers and they will be specific to you. In clinic, we have lots of things that can help you on your journey to maintain this condition and get your face as healthy and happy as possible. In clinic, we start with putting you under the facial analyzer. That's basically a really posh camera which has specific technologies to allow us really to characterise how flushed your skin is, the texture of your skin and the vascular changes in your skin. By being able to do that every now and then throughout your treatment time with us, we can really scientifically see how the treatment's going and how your skin is responding. For things that we start with, first thing in clinic is we'll always talk about skincare. And it will be specific to you, but in general we'll do calming skincare to help maintain and repair that skin barrier. In rosacea, skin can tend to be very sensitive and very sore. The skin barrier can be compromised by anything harsh. So to start with, we would think about moisturisers that might be rich in niacinamide and ceramides and things like that. We'd always recommend that you're having a good SPF because sun exposure can really trigger that rosacea. If you're getting spots, it might be that we talk about prescription medications like a metronidazole or an ivermectin or something like that to really calm the skin down. But generally it is calm, soothing skincare that will be the cornerstone of your skincare regime. For things that we can do and treatment-wise in clinic, there are actually quite a few options. To start with, we've got a lovely LED machine. So LED can really calm the skin down, can really help with the anti-inflammatory properties, and can help it in a way that if it's irritated, it can start repairing that skin barrier again. For facial redness and flushing, we're really excited to have just brought in an IPL machine into clinic. So that's an intense pulse light machine that really targets the red blood cells, the hemoglobin in your skin, by using specific wavelengths. And by doing that, it can really calm down the flushing. It can help with strawberry hemangiomas, that superficial little spider veins, the cholangioplasia, and also the general flushing can really be targeted and treated very effectively with IPL. Sometimes if you have the acne form of rosacea, we might talk about chemical peels, which can really help both calm the skin, can help with the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation if you've got pigmentation changes because of the acne, and can also really clear out that the sebum and really calm the acne down. We've also got a few injectables, and there is a little bit of evidence that things like polynucleotide skin boosters, when injected into the skin, can actually, probably through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, can really help calm that rosacea down. I would also say the same about microneedling with exosomes. I've had some lovely results with that with my rosacea clients, in that it's very anti-inflammatory and it's calming to the skin, and it can really help with that redness, and that rawness can really be helped with that. The other thing that's a little bit more unusual is sometimes anti-wrinkle injections can help with flushing. If it's done in a very specific dilute way and very superficially, there is some evidence that with really refractive cases, if your rosacea is really hard to treat and isn't really responding to our normal treatment regime, that's something I've got in my back pocket, that sometimes with specific clients, it can really help calm that flushing and is another option that we can use. Treatment for rosacea can be in multiple different stages. It's very specifically tailored to you in clinic, so it's always good to come in and have a chat to us, and we can do a tailored regime specifically for your concerns and for your rosacea, and we can start helping you on that skin journey. Thank you.